Hi, have you heard about the magical powers of wolf magic begin now? How does it really work? Is it real? Or is there a science behind it? Or is it a myth? Let's find out in this video. And please remember to like and share this video, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for many such interesting videos. Wolf magic begin now is a switch word to achieve miracles in life. But having faith and determination is the key to achieve any results. So what are switch words? Switch words. Simply put, switch words are mantras which, if chanted properly, yield desired results. These words help in switching and channelizing your energy in the desired direction for helping in manifestation of your wants and needs. Like a mantra in Hinduism, these words have the power to change your destiny by using your own energy in a focused and channelized way. Any simple words can become switch words, and there is no prescribed way of using these words. In fact, all the words are equally powerful and potent to qualify as switch words. So you can decide your own switch words. Similarly, a word representing a very deep trauma associated with the past can be a big mood spoiler. Such strong words which have some special meaning for you can become a potent switch word. Some words have a special meaning in your life. It can be associated with a thing, a movie, a smell, an experience, a place, a person, a feeling, a song, a color, or any other feeling like a trauma. For a person in love, the name of his partner can be a strong mood uplifter. What are switch word phrases? When such important switch words are combined together like a mantra, they form a switch word phrase. Switch word phrases can be constructed by using switch words in order of importance without worrying about grammar. Having a long switch word phrase can create confusion and also can be counterproductive if all the words do not carry the same energy. This can lead to delay or non-attainment of desired results. So the switch word phrase should ideally be a combination of 2, 3 or 4 words at the most. Begin now is such a switch word phrase. Wolf is known for its intelligence and family bonding. The other 3 words, magic begin now, are positive switch words which anyone and everyone can relate to. If chanting, singing, praying or repeated writing of this switch word phrase is done in a periodic manner, it works in mystical ways to achieve the desired results of attracting money, prosperity, getting out of problems and achieving success. The smaller desires take less time to materialize, while the big goals of life take larger time. A person's karmic balance also plays an important role on how quickly the results can be achieved. It goes without saying that unrealistic expectations without the concrete steps and efforts in right direction will not help in achieving success. So how to use wolf magic begin now to eliminate problems and achieve results? The secret recipe is, for any result to start showing, chanting should be done at least 3 times a day for 10 minutes in parts or 30 minutes in total. The more you chant or pray or sing or write down wolf magic begin now, the more connected your subconscious mind becomes with the manifestation of the idea and starts overcoming the mental blocks and helps in achieving your desired results. So can you do proxy chanting for others? Well, as in case of prayers, even chanting of switch words can be done for the benefit of others. This is called proxy chanting, and a person chanting is called a proxy chanter. However, proxy chanting takes longer for the desired results to achieve and a very strong emotional connect with the beneficiary. Hope this helps you in achieving success in your life. So keep chanting wolf magic begin now.